Students, from today we are going to start our BSc second year same third practicals. So before going to start with the experiments, we are first discuss few basic things which are helpful for the practicals. In this semester, our syllabus contain two types of experiment, that is inorganic chemistry experiment and physical chemistry experiments. In the inorganic chemistry, we have volumetric analysis and another one is gravimetric analysis. We first start with the inorganic chemistry practicals. So, related to the introduction, an analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the analysis of the substance, which is mainly divided into two main classes, quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. Now, among these in our syllabus, we are first going to see about the quantitative analysis. The name itself suggests the meaning quantity, and here the quantity stands for amount. The basic principle of quantitative analysis is to determine the amount of given sample. There are many methods of quantitative analysis such as volumetric analysis, gravimetric analysis, refractometry, polarimetry and many more. Volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis is the quantitative analysis in which the volume of known concentration solution, that is the standard solution whose concentration is known to us, is required to react with the solution of unknown concentration is to be determined. Volumetric reactions are very simple and easy to carry out. It is very fast and can be done on the side. Again, it is very less expensive and precise and more accurate. Now see, as I have told you earlier, it is very easy and required very few apparatus. So we can see the apparatus needed for the volumetric analysis. This diagram, we can see that the apparatus which are required for the volumetric analysis is burette, pipette, conical flask, volumetric flask and the weighing bottle. Before going to start with the volumetric analysis, we first see about the terms which are studied under the volumetric analysis. Titration. Titration is the process of determining the volume of known strength or the concentration of the solution required to react with the known volume of unknown strength of the solution. Titrant and titrate. The solution taken in the burette used in a titration is called as an titrant, that is the whose concentration is known to us, and the solution taken in a conical flask whose concentration is to be determined is called as an titrate. Indicator is the substance which is used for the visual detection of the completion of particular reaction to determine the end point of the titration is called as indicator, and the end point, the volume at which the completion of the reaction is observed by using an indicator, is called as endpoint. This is all about the volumetric analysis. Another important techniques of quantitative analysis is the gravimetric analysis. Gravimetric analysis is a technique through which the amount of analyte, that is the ion being analyzed, can be determined through the measurement of the mass, is the gravimetric analysis. Gravimetric analysis involves the different steps such as precipitation, digestion, filtration and washing, drying or ignition, weighing and lastly the calculations. Digestion is carried out to increase the particle size, which reduces the co-precipitation and makes the precipitate easily filtrable. Filtration is the process of separation of the precipitate from the solution. Washing, the precipitate is usually contaminated with the ion present in the solution, and to remove these ions, washing is done. For drying, keep the funnel in an oven maintaining the temperature at 110 degrees Celsius. In this, the water from the filter paper and precipitate get evaporated and they get dried. After that, the amount of substance can be recorded by weighing it, and lastly, the calculation is done. Thank you so much.